Into a toy car.
Oh no, a flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says, keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you needed to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, Ice Cream Man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman, look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle, they're going over the bridge. Oh no, the bridge is opening. Morphle, add rockets to the car.
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them.
are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits. Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again!
Ah, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain.
Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket. Hold it right there. Hi there, Firetruck. Dump those losers and come with us. Hey, we need our truck to get to a fire.
Better start running then.
Yes, we are now the vehicle bandits. And with this life ray, it's easier than ever.
Oh no, Morphle! We've got to stop them! Morph into a race car!
Wait! We need to put out a fire now!
Morphle, morph into a fire truck!
To the farm! No more trips for you, you Sunday driver!
Why, you ruffians!
Time to clean yourself up. I don't know what happened. I was flipping burgers, and all of a sudden, a fire broke out.
Let's go after those bandits, Morphle! Bandits!
Wait, Mila, Morphle! Those bandits have stolen my ambulance, and I need to bring this lady to the hospital.
Morph into an ambulance, Morphle!
A quiet day in my city. No traffic violations anywhere. Huh? Cars without drivers? Oh, not in my city. Wait, what?
Bye-bye!
Now, let's get those bandits.
Stop it! Right there! Oh.
Morphle, morph into a police car.
Wow, it's like you read my mind. Let's get those baddies! Oh, no, you don't. Vehicles, stop them!
Fly over them, Morphle.
Uh-oh.
Vehicles, join forces and become a mega robot!
We are Vehicle Bots.
Oh, boy.
No, stop it.
All those sweet rides.
There's only one ride left for you, and that's a ride to jail.
Welcome to the Big House Building Contest. These are our contestants. The rules are simple. Build a very nice house from anything you like.
Our house is going to be made out of stone. Ours will be made out of cotton candy.
We are going to make the best sandcastle you have ever seen.
Get ready, set, go!
Oh, no! I forgot to bring cement. Now these bricks won't stay together.
We have to help them, Morphle. Morph into a cement truck.
Thank you very much, Morphle. Now we stand a chance again. Oh, boy. This candy is not sticking together as well as I thought.
How do you think we can help them, Morphle?
Honey!
Yes! Let's go get some honey!
Thank you. This is perfect.
Now we finally have time to build our sandcastle.
Time's almost up, everybody!
Oh no!
Wait, Morphle. I have an idea.
3, 2, 1, and that's it! Let's see what you have made. Ah, very nice. And sturdy. It's beautiful. And tasty, too. Wow, that's amazing. And so big. You deserve the award. You got me there, but you don't have a house, so I can't give you the award.
That's okay. We're happy we could help the other teams.
Then I give this award to you for building such a tasteful house.
Thank you very much. But I couldn't have done it without Mila and Morphle. And as a reward, you get to eat the house all by yourselves.
Yay! Morphle, I want to build the biggest sandcastle ever. Aw, there's not enough sand in the sandbox. We should go to the desert. There's lots of sand there. Here we are. Okay, Morphle, let's start digging. Well done, Morphle. It looks great. But I am getting pretty thirsty. It's so hot out here.
Water! Water!
Yeah!
Water gone!
In the desert, sometimes it looks like there's water, but it's not real. It's called a mirage. Oh, look, there's another one. This one is even moving.
This is not a mirage. It's my magic pet.
Are you guys thirsty?
Water.
We need to build a brand new house here. But first, we need to get rid of the old one.
Morphle, morph into a wrecking ball.
Okay, Morphle, ready when you are. Okay, robot dump truck, clean up the mess. With this amazing invention that we got from Professor Rashid, building new buildings is easier than ever. Now we are the construction zapper bandits.
After them, Morphle. Morphle, wreck the wall.
Let's zap ourselves some statues. You guys are headed to the police station.
Morphle, morph into a fire truck. Look, Troy. Do you want to take a ride in a real fire truck?
That's not a real fire truck. My big brother Gerben is a firefighter. And I can take a ride whenever I want.
Ah, an emergency.
Now Morphle can see what a real fire truck can do.
That sounds like a challenge.
We've got this, ma'am. Huh?
There you go. We brought your cat to safety.
building on fire on the other side of the city.
Haha, we're faster.
Oh no, this fire's too big. We can't do this by ourselves.
Let's work together. Morphle, morph into a flying fire truck.
Wow! It's wonderful to have some help from a magic pet. Morphle, would you be interested in joining me at the fire department from now on?
Morphle no can. Morphle me pet.
You know, firefighter Ruben, I think I know the perfect magic pet for you. Aquily, help your new human companion.
Wow!